Welcome back to another outstanding tutorial from the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this one, you will learn how to download the Byutv app on Fire TV. Now, just go to the find icon right here, click on it, and you're going to get into this search bar. Click on the search bar and type in the app you're looking for. So we're looking for Byutv, and that's it right there. So click on it. And when you're in, you find the download button. Just hop over to the side and click on the download button right here. This will process. It's going to quick, and then at a simple in time when your download begins, if you have good internet connections, it takes just a couple of seconds. So when the download is complete, it will be automatically installed on your Fire TV. You find it straight up in your app library. Now, if you have value from this tutorial, if you learned how to download the Byutv app, support the channel by giving us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to be part of us, and you will receive more content as valuable as this.